everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Mamboga people, to the topic now about one girl. My people, this one our lesson to our girls will be say they'll get like they Europe, guy go dey toast them for Naija. They'll come dey send money, go give the guy for Naija. And because of I want to do this topic today, wanna learn for this one, wanna learn because so many things they happen, like seriously. So many things they happen, my people. Wanna listen to this topic. So this girl say she dey Europe, yeah, she be the friend one boy for Europe, yeah, but it not gonna work out for two of them. So she can't begin to date one guy for Naija. This one her phone no knife for toast am. So the girl na person wey say she dey see money well. She dey read dey see money. Like when you say somebody dey see money, the girl dey see. Like seriously, the girl dey see money. So she can't begin to date this guy for Naija. So if she go Naija, in with the boy, now they when they take care of the boy, they do everything, they send money. The girl, when you say somebody really spend, the girl really spend for the guy. Like she spend hell, she really spend. She can't begin to spend money for this guy. Naija boys now, the boy begin to shop him money. So the girl now the boy come tell the girl say one come Europe. The girl come say okay, no problem. The girl come try make sure say he carry this boy 2 times for the boy come fit enter. As they enter, the boy come the girl see they spend money. The boy not the wear clothes, will not be designer. In fact, na Naija for do the central come now. He come begin the boy want wear clothes now, designer marker. The boy not the wear all those real marker like Versace, Gucci, all those real one, and the boy the wear. And the girl want go see the boy for the city where the boy dey. He say money wey in dey carry follow body. If he carry 1,000 euro follow body, in fact, if you carry 5,000 euro follow body, if he dey come back, maybe now 200 go follow and come back. The girl dey read the same money. She get to Igbo where they give her money well. So she come to spend for this guy. They do everything. They take care of the guy. Where the guy dey Naija, big car that they use now. He pass person wey dey Europe. Our girls, I don't understand now. When I not see guy for Europe, when I can't go Naija, say Naija, I want go carry all those Ugbeke guys, they will come to use una anyhow. Me, I don't understand. I don't understand una really. This girl spend hell, like seriously. She spend for this guy. So, my people, she can't begin to spend. They spend for the guy. God, those are our central boys now. They lie, say they love them. Whereas single love, they don't get for you. So just they pretend, or because of your money where they want it. Our boys, God pass on now. God pass on now. I even they watch one just now where they cry because of boy where they Naija. Boy say no want you again, you they cry. Me no understand now. She dey spend money. You spend one point something for the boy for Naija. He even get luck. The boy even return 700 euro give this girl. Wow, when I just the wash just now, he even return 700 euro give am before he tell the girl say no want the relationship again. The girl now they cry. They say he no know whether if he send the money give the boy, I bet the money where the boy send give and make her the vex. And you want to send the money, give the boy back. You wait the Europe here, they cry for boy with the Naija. I don't understand that I guess so. Then they say now juju. Which kind of juju? Now everything juju they do. Stupidity. Let me call that one. Because that girl, I don't believe say she gets sense. Because if she gets sense, I go they cry for guy with the Naija. Person say no want you again, you they cry. If that boy upset you back, the guy suffer where you go suffer, you don't believe your eye. I don't understand do now. See this one now when we all the talk so now. I'm gonna listen. The girl now, they spend everything for this boy because it does start now for Nigeria. As you carry a corner, Central boy no one work. They shopping money. Now the boy come finally tell and say I want to go one country like that, so he want to go meet his sister for there. make you take care of am. Say because that place being dey, since you no go fit dey just dey depend on you all the time, the girl come say okay oh, the boy come comot. He comot finish, level change oh, level change. If the girl dey call, I no dey pick call again. He come jam oyibo. Now, you no even send the girl again. Whether the girl say, if the girl dey call, I no dey pick the girl call again. Tell the girl say things don change. He want marry oyibo, like he want really marry oyibo, settle down with this oyibo, he love am. The girl now dey cry. The girl dey in pains. You know, some kind things wey some guys go do you, wey you shook out for white, tears no go come out. The girl now dey cry. Dey cry blood. You know, sometimes our girls, some girls, their mumu and patu no dey. Their mumu patu no dey. How you go dey spend for a guy like that? Wetin, like, the thing go dey surprise me. How you go dey spend for a guy like that? I don't understand una really. Sometimes I go dey wonder if our girls dey okay. Just see this one wey dey cry for Facebook. Now make they help am beg the boy. Boy say no want you again for Naija. He say make they beg am. They even dey talk say na juju. She talk say no be juju. Because na im mumu. So you no come see boy for Europe here. Say wan return the 700. Give the you even get luck say the boy even give you 700. So you wan return am. You dey okay, this girl. If person return 700 give you, say you wan return the money, give the boy back. Hey, I never see mumu wey pass this one. See this one now, all the money wey he spend go like that. Wetin she dey talk now be say, wetin make her even give me the topic is say, she say she wan go swear for the guy. I say make she not swear. Wetin she wan swear for? He say wan go swear. Now I say make I ask una. And the right decision be that one. Make she go swear for the guy. How una reason am? Make she go swear, abi make she not swear, my people. Because I look and say wetin she wan swear for. It don't happen. It don't happen. Wetin you wan come swear for the guy for? You no force you collect the money. Now you just give am on your own memority. I don't understand. Really, I don't understand. Wetin wan come make you come swear for the guy? Now don't swear. Don't swear. No need. No need at all. This one now they cry. Say make they help am beg the boy. The boy say no want you again. You say make they help you beg the boy. The boy just dey tell you who he be now, say no want to, you dey beg. If you can't take you back, now he go finish you. You even get luck, person wey dey Naija, he even return 700 euro give you. You see, he say he want return the money back to the boy. Hey, things dey happen, my people. Things dey happen. I beg. Anything una think about this video, una leave una comment for the comment section. I beg. I really need una opinion. I really want to know how una reason this matter. How una reason am. Whether make the girl go ahead to go swear, or make she not swear. And the other one where they say wan go return money, make she return the money, abi make she not return. Una leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your humble sister, your lovely sister, your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Bye, everybody. Bye.